Hi, Pipa. Are you ready for your Halloween party?
Yes.
Pipa's going to a Halloween party. Look at her little outfit. Oh my goodness. Are you ready? We're ready to go.
Can you see? It's just me. I'm dressed up to look like a skeleton. A skeleton. I'm gonna scare you now. Ooh, happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Can you see? It's just me. I'm dressed up to look like a vampire. A vampire. I'm gonna scare you now. Ooh, happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Did you have fun winning the costume contest? You ready to go home now? Are you tired? You tired, baby? Oh yeah. She had a great time. Huh, baby? You had a good time? Yes? Okay.
Nay, nandito kami ni Serni, tsaka ni Mia, si Arlene, si Arnel. I wanna say because of you, Mom, I have a good life because you choose my husband, Serni. Nay, kung hindi sa iyo, hindi si Serni mapapangasawa ko. Siguro hindi ganito ang buhay ko. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo, Nay. Kasi ikaw ang pumili para sa akin. Kaya, mahal na mahal kita, Nay. Lagi kita naalala.
I turn out to be the man like what they want me to be. I know my mom is so happy because I am in the right life where I am. Thank you, Mama, and I know you're happy because you can see your bunso that made it. You made me join the Navy, and we made it. And that's why my life is like this. Thank you all.